Hi, I'm Jordan from Motor Match Stafford, and this is the Audi A1 SE Sportback. It's a 1.2 petrol manual that has only had one owner. This car is super spacious and is an amazing vehicle, and that can be seen from the daytime running lights on your headlights. It also comes with 15-inch alloy wheels in this silver finish, which complements your black exterior colouring perfectly to create such an eye-catching looking car. Now you've also got the black window surrounds, which add to the black colouring, and you've also got tinted windows in the rear, which means it gives you that much more privacy as well as peace of mind when storing objects in the rear seats or in the boot. Now, even though this is quite a small car, there is still loads of room available in this car, and you can see that here. Now, it'd be great when going away on holiday, as you'll be able to fit everybody's luggage easily in this vehicle. And also the rear seats do fold forward to create an extended boot, so larger or longer items can easily be transported. Lifting up the boot flooring, you can see you've got underboot storage where you can keep a spare tyre, as well as any other accessories that you may need in case of an emergency. It won't ruin the overall look of the car though, as it is neatly stored away and it doesn't clutter up the boot, giving you that much more space to store stuff. Going on to the rear seats now then, and you can see that you have got these full black cloth upholstery seats, which really do add such a comfortable and stylish look to the car. It's got a dynamic trim running down the middle, which just creates such an unforgettable vehicle. You've also got rear ISOFIX points, which means child seats have never been safer in the rear of a car, and it gives you peace of mind while they are travelling in this car that they'll be safe and secure. Going on to the passenger side now then, you've got them chrome door handles as well as your chrome vent surrounds, which match the door handles perfectly. You've also got the full black cloth sport seats in the front, which perfectly match the rear seats, creating such an unforgettable and unmissable car. On your driver's side, you have got a driver display, and it shows that the car has done 65,114 miles, so there's plenty of miles left for this car to do. It also comes with lots of high-tech features, which I'm going to show you now. So down here, you have got your aux and 12-volt charging point, where you can easily charge devices or connect it to the car to listen to your own music, making it that much more easier to make this car unique to you. Just above that though is your climate control, and you can see how easily I'm adjusting the temperature as well as fan control and where the fans are pointing. So it's super easy as it's on the centre console for the driver or passenger to adjust these settings. Showing you the main digital display buttons now, you can see you've got stuff like radio, car, and then the overall settings of the vehicle, and it really does make for such a high-tech car. Showing you the screen now, you can see you've got stuff like car, information, media, radio and tone, so it really does make this car that much more enjoyable to be in. Going on to media, you have got your CD as well as aux. This allows you to listen to your own music, but you have also got radio where you've got FM and AM radio stations to choose from, giving you a huge range of different stations that covers every type of genre of music. So whether you're into pop or rock, it doesn't matter, this car will have you covered. Now, another great thing about this display is that it can fold into the dashboard. So if you don't want it on show, all you have to do is clip it in, and then to open it again, all you have to do is press it and it will pop back up. It just means you can hide it to make the car look that much more stunning. This car also comes with 2 keys as well as service history. So with the 2 keys, it does limit the amount of access to only one person. And with the service history, it gives you background of the car. That was the Audi A1 SE Sportback that is now available at Motor Match Stafford. If this car caught your eye and you'd like to find out a little bit more about it, then you can give us a call on 01785 899 474.